Good day, everybody. We're at Wat Khao Takiap in Hua Hin, Thailand. We have a bunch of guests all around us here. Right here was the welcoming committee. She was here to say hi as soon as we pulled up. And they're all around us. You see the awesome view from up here. You can drive all the way up here. We weren't certain, and the road isn't excellent, but we have just a two-wheel drive SUV, and we were able to drive up the road. I have a dash cam, so I will try to post some of the drive coming up so you'll have an idea if you come to the area. This is the only one that goes up.
Correct.
Oh, look at the monkeys.
And
look at the monkeys all over the road.
Yeah.
And it says to drive up here?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. What? Yeah.
What's the sign say, Joy? Read signs for me.
Go that here. Then maybe turn and then go down.
That's probably one-way traffic.
I asked her. แม่ชีขอบพระคุณค่ะ She's there. This up and go down.
So I don't know if it's a great idea to drive up here because the monkeys are going to check everything out. I hope it doesn't break something. They're trying to take whatever they can off the car. He was picking rocks out of the tires and looking inside. He wants to get in. He's checking things out closely. He's looking inside the windows and everything. He's trying to find a way in. He's looking underneath now. There's got to be a way in there. There's got to be a way. No, there's not. We have it closed up.
The food on my side, that's why they come here.
Donations.
For food.
That's for the cat and dog. Huh.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
All right.
Donate for cat and dog.
Look at the view around here. My word. We drove all the way up here on this part of the mountain. I've chose not to do the drone because the monkeys are all over here and they're very grabby. I can just see them grabbing the drone and take off. Yeah, as soon as I go back to the car, their curiosity strikes them, and oh, we gotta go over there too to go up on that temple. So I lost my train of thought. That's how old people are. So this has got a 360-degree view from here. I guess that's why they told me to come up here. This is Wat Khao Takiap. Jai is getting a start going up. Here's some steep stairs. I don't know if you can tell very easily, but I left my gimbal in the car because of all the monkeys. So I'm going to get started and head up. A little video when we get farther up there. Looks like Jai is about a third of the way. Jai took another fleet of stairs and she's sitting down now. Show you downward. Got a monkey following me up here. Yeah, it looks deeper from up here looking down. Welcoming party here when we got to the top. It's a good hike. Yeah, I jogged all the way up here. Oh, lost the gong.
A lot of bells.
Yeah, they're tuned. They're all tuned a little different.
Yes,
Little sizes.
all over. Yeah.
Yeah, different sizes. Yeah, we're looking on the internet and there's like 50 places you can come visit here in Hua Hin. So don't think you're going to come and spend a day or two and see everything. It's not going to happen. We're only spending 2 days here, or 2 nights, 3 days, 2 nights. Then we're going to head back. We're thinking at this point we're going to go back to Bangkok, visit sites there. So anyhow, if you like our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with time to get going. We're out.